This is the Xiaomi Redmi 10, the successor to the Xiaomi Redmi 9. It brings a number of upgrades coming from the Redmi 9, but should you upgrade, or is it worth your $180 or 89,000 naira? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about everything you should know about the Xiaomi Redmi 10. I'm also going to be sharing my thoughts and honest opinions on this device. So let's get to it. My name is Yudi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. So before we begin, do me one favor. Give this video a like by hitting the like button. That will really help with the YouTube algorithm so more people will get to see this video. Now I do have chapters of this video as table of contents in the description below, so you can skip to any part of the video you like. Do check them out. So let's start with the design and build quality. The Redmi 10 has a design that is reminiscent of other Redmi devices released this year, but it has a plastic rear which is somewhat a matte finish. Now it's available in three colors, that's carbon grey, pebble white and sea blue. It has glass protection on the front, that's Gorilla Glass 3, and it's neither water nor dust resistant, so don't take it swimming. On the right side of the device is where the volume rockers and the power button is located. The power button also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Now up top we see the headphone jack, one of stereo speakers, the secondary microphone and the IR blaster to make your phone work like a remote to control your TV, your fan, air conditioner, your DSTV. Yeah. Now at the left side of the device is where the dual SIM card plus memory card slot is. Now at the bottom we find the USB Type-C port, the second speaker and the primary microphone. The Redmi 10 has a 6.5-inch 1080p LCD display with 405 pixel density. And like I mentioned earlier, it's Gorilla Glass 3 projection, same as Redmi 9, but a 90Hz refresh from the Redmi 9 60Hz display. It still keeps the LCD display though. Now speaking of things the Redmi 10 is still keeping from the Redmi 9 is a huge 5000 mAh battery, which is a good thing. Now this battery should get you through a day and more. It's capable of 18 watts of fast charging. Android 11 on MIUI 12.5 is a software experience. Now expect tons of ads and bloatware applications as it is common with Redmi devices, but you'll be able to uninstall most of it. It's powered by a gaming processor, the MediaTek Helio G88. It will give you decent gaming performance with minimal lag, but nothing over the top. It's available in these configurations, but no matter which one you get, you'll be able to add an additional 2 GB of RAM from the phone's memory. A really nice and handy feature. Lastly, the cameras. It's a quad camera setup, a 50 megapixel main sensor, that's huge, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth camera. Now up front we have the 8 megapixel front facing camera. It's capable of just 1080p video recording on both its front and rear cameras. No 4K or 2K video here. The Redmi 10 is not a bad phone. It's actually a really good phone for the price. You get stereo speakers, a 90Hz display, huge battery, good performance and good cameras. So if you are coming from the Redmi 9, this is a good upgrade. The only downside of this phone is the LCD display. So if you can settle for that LCD display, you should definitely get this phone. But if you can never settle and you want that AMOLED display, you can check out the Samsung Galaxy A22. You can click on the icon here and check out my review on the Samsung A22. But you should know that the Samsung A22 has a 720p display. So it's either 1080p LCD on the Redmi 10 or 720p AMOLED on the Samsung Galaxy A22. What's your pick? Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it so you get notified when I upload a new video just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.